everyone, I'm Tanuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share you some daily use sentences using the like could, would, may, might and many more. So let's get started. You should eat breakfast every morning. Could you please pass me the salt? I would love to go on vacation next month. May I borrow your pen for a moment? I might visit the art gallery this weekend. You should call your parents more often. You must submit the report by tomorrow. Can you help me with this math problem? He might arrive late due to traffic. They will surely enjoy the concert. He may not be able to attend the party. We ought to buy groceries on our way back. Can you please pass me the remote control? She shall always cherish these memories. May I have a piece of cake, please? I would love to watch a movie tonight. I would appreciate it if you could pick me up from the airport. I might visit my grandparents this summer. I would like to learn how to swim. Could you remind me to buy milk on your way back? Could you lend me some money until next week? I would like to learn how to play the guitar. May I have a glass of water, please? I might go for a run in the evening. You should take a break and relax. You should be more careful when driving. They will definitely achieve their goals with hard work. We ought to apologize for the inconvenience caused. She should not tolerate any disrespectful behavior. Can you please turn up the volume? He may need some assistance with his project. I would prefer to have dinner at home tonight. Could you help me move this heavy box? May I use your computer for a moment? She shall not forget her kindness. They will definitely win the championship. He may have left his phone in the car. I might go to the gym after work. You should study for your exam. May I take a day off from work next week? Hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.